316L stainless steel jewelry, lost wax casting. Step 4, wax tree assembly. Every wax pattern here becomes a finished 316L part. These wax patterns come straight from the injection machine. On the left, a tree already partly assembled. On the right, an empty tree ready to go. Each tree holds for vertical sprues 15 patterns per sprue, 60 a side, 120 a tree. Based on our production experience, this layout maximizes output per casting run to lower unit cost. Use a heated wax tool to securely attach each wax pattern to the sprue tree. If the joint is not strong enough, the wax pattern may detach during investing or casting, resulting in scrap. Make sure the parts are equally spaced. If they are too close together, the liquid metal will not flow smoothly. You get short fill or cold shut. Each wax pattern must remain vertical. If it is tilted, uneven forces during casting can cause deformation. Maintaining even spacing and proper vertical alignment is key to keeping the defect rate below 5%. Once it is finished, hang the wax tree on the metal hook for the next step. Handle with care. A small knock can cause the wax pieces to fall off. This is the complete wax tree assembly process. We keep the same standard across our entire 316L product line to keep costs, defect traits, and lead times consistent. Contact us for a quote based on your design and order quantity. Next up, slurry coating. Subscribe for the next step. Have a 316L stainless steel jewelry idea? Scan the QR code to contact us.